Happy Monday. This is Monday Morning Fabrics, and I've got some beauties for you. This starts with a 100% viscose. The drape is incredible on this. It's a knit, has stretch in both directions. It's absolutely stunning. This next piece, these are all Veronica Beard. They're all $19.99 today only. This is 100% cotton. It's a slub. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. Pants, jacket, all would be gorgeous. This is a viscose poly. It has stretch in both directions, but look at the colors and how they blend. This is 100% viscose. It's a rib, stretch in both directions. It's just, they're absolutely gorgeous. This is a linen, a beautiful gold linen, and it has stretch in one direction. The linen fibers are twisted so high that they can have stretch to them. People think something has to be added. It does not. That's 100% linen. This is a beautiful tan rib, and it just goes so well with the gold that I just thought it was beautiful together. This was a request to put back up too. But this is 100% viscose. Again, stretch in both directions. Veronica Beard, they're beautiful. The drape is incredible. You cannot not have happy sewing. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.